Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you how to install Super VPN in your PC or laptop. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to install or start using Super VPN still in your PC or laptop, well, there are a few things that we need to understand here. Now, the thing with Super VPN here, it's an app that you can only use on your mobile device. So in this case, you can only use this or download this directly from Google Play Store or from the App Store here if you're using an iPhone. But if you still want to use it, let's just say in your PC, well, there is a workaround here that you could try doing. But then again, you'll only be able to use that VPN inside that specific app that in this case we'll be using later on. So in this case, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go and just download the emulator first. So you want to go and just search for BlueStacks, and you want to access BlueStacks official website. Now, in here, you want to go and click on download BlueStacks. Click on agree first, click on download, and wait for the installer to complete downloading. Now, once you do see this in complete, or once the installer is actually downloaded, you can go and click on it and just follow the on-screen steps in order for you to start using the app. Now, typically, you just need to agree a few things, and once it's actually installed, this is what it should actually look like. So in my case, I already have this installed. Let's go and double click on BlueStacks 5. And let's just wait for it to fully run. Now, once you have this running, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and access the main menu. So this is what the main menu should look like. So when you first access this. So in this case, you want to go to the System App section. Click on the Play Store option here. And once you've done that, it may ask you to log in. So go and just log in with your Play Store account or your Google account here. But once you've done that, you want to go and click on Search. Go to the search apps and games at the very top and just search for Super VPN and search for it. And once you do see Super VPN in here, you could go and just click on the option that says install and just wait for the installation to complete. Now, once the installation is complete, you go and start using it in your BlueStacks player here and start doing whatever you want. But that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.